Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally, dollar index DXY is trading above 104 level. DXY looks bullish. As a result, we can see pressure on the chart of GBP, USD, Euro USD, Gold USD, and others. You can see here dollar loiters at 2-month peak ahead of Powell's speech. What Powell's speech? If you go to economic calendar, you can see that Fed Chair Powell speaks. Yes, so market will be volatile again. So my dear friends, today we have important events coming up, so you need to be careful. Jackson Hole Symposium, Federal Chairman Powell will be speaking. So overall, we may get to see some volatility in the market, so you need to be careful. To know the exact timing, go to any economic calendar and just change the time zone according to your country. You'll get to know when you need to be careful. Just keep in mind, beginners, new traders, your stop losses may not work because of high volatility and slippage. So try to close down all your positions just before the US session. You don't need to gamble with your hard-earned money. And right now we can see that dollar index is bullish, so obviously we need to respect the trend of the market here because of fundamental reasons. Dollar index is going up, and before the US session I don't think so that we will be getting any big correction on the chart of DXY. In case DX5 goes down, also shows few red candles, also it will be just a temporary correction, not a complete trend reversal. For trend reversals, we need a big event, we need a news that may come after the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. But before that, I don't think so we have any possibility of a trend reversal right now, so plan your trades accordingly. Okay, and after the speech of Federal Chairman, in case there is a big drop in the market, the previous support levels on the chart of DXY are still very much present. 103, 102.80, 102.50, those levels are still very much present. And if you're wondering about the next resistance on the chart of DXY, then it is around 104.50. But keep in mind, this is just a resistance, not a strong wall. That before the US session, I don't think so market will be breaking this level. Market doesn't have the strength right now, but after the news, after the speech, anything may happen. So now let's look at the chart of gold here. So yesterday, to be honest, okay, I also got a shock when I saw that our level of 1912 worked. Personally, I did not take a buy position because personally, in my experience, okay, FIBO 23.6% is not a very strong level. So after a news, I always try to avoid FIBO 23.6, but yesterday it worked. Okay. Anyways, we still cannot deny the fact that overall the chart of gold is still towards the downside. Okay, overall chart is towards the downside, and if you look at the present trend of the market here, then we can see that gold is trying to recover. So in simple words, there is a contradiction, okay, in the overall trend of the market. Overall trend is down and the present trend of the market here. So if you're a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, then obviously you need to wait. You need to wait for the Monday after the speech, let the market settle, and then you can decide in which direction you should be taking a trade. Because as a positional trader, swing trader, your trades last for a couple of days. But if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to watch the present trend of the market. You need to be extra flexible. Okay, and here right now we can see that we do have some trading opportunities on the basis of few levels. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, the level of 1908. Okay, so before the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman, okay, if market starts falling, then 1908 is the first support, and then we have 1903. These are the two levels where we can expect a bounce as a day trader for 30 to 40 pips before the US session, before the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman. But my dear friends, keep in mind these are levels just on the basis of Fibonacci. Yes, 1903, okay, has also additional support from the previous resistance here, but apart from that, these levels are not very strong. These are not the levels where you can expect a trend reversal. So as day traders, you can expect a bounce, and accordingly you can go for a buy position, but you need to be careful. Keep in mind, after news yesterday, our FIBO 23.6 level worked. That doesn't mean that today also it will work. It depends on the volatility. Yesterday I told you guys that yesterday's event was not a major event, but today's event is a little bit a major event. So 1908 and 1903 are the two support levels for day traders. 1908 is solely based on FIBO 38.2% retracement level, whereas 1903 seems to be a better level, because around 1903 you can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Previous resistance will be working as support here, and along with that we also have the 100 moving average. 1903, 1902 seems to be a better level. And if you're wondering about resistance, then the resistances are around 1934 to 1935. Yes, the resistance of 1934-35 is still valid. If you're wondering why, then you can see that when we have drawn FIBO from the top to bottom here, okay, we can see we have FIBO 50% retracement around 1934 level. 1934-35 level. So this seems to be a good level, because FIBO 50 is a, I won't say okay that very strong, extremely strong, but yes, it's a good level for day traders at least. But before 1934-35 we have another resistance around 1930 as well. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold right now, okay, that you can consider as resistance. But the problem is that right now market is trading at 1914 level, and these two levels are far away from the current market price. If I zoom in, then you can see that around 1924 level, okay, around 1924 or yesterday's high also, we have, okay, we have some sellers present. Before news, if the volatility of the market remains like this, listen to me carefully. Before news, if the volatility of the market remains like this, then we can expect that market will be reversing again. After all, volatility of the market is very, very important. Because see, if the market is volatile, if you see the market is going up with a big green candle, means market has volume. But if you see the market is going up with small candles, means market doesn't have volume. If market doesn't have volume, then obviously it cannot break up. So if you see the market doesn't have volume and market is reversing around 1923, 24, 25 level, you can also take a quick sell position. Okay, and in case market becomes very volatile after the European session, okay, or during the European session, then you can also look for a buy above 1924-25 as well. Okay, how much you can expect? You can expect around 30 to 40 pips again. If you take a, let's say if you take a buy at 1925, you can exit around 1928, 1929. Why? Because at 1930 we have the next resistance. Okay, so let me wrap it up here. So my dear friends, dollar index is bullish, we cannot deny it, so you need to plan your trades accordingly. Before the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, I don't think so market will be too volatile. So if market shows few red candles also on the DXY chart, it will be just a correction. As of now, the support levels are still the same, and we have the next resistance around 104.50 that may work before the news. Okay, and in case of gold, we can see a contradiction on the overall chart and the present chart here. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then obviously you need to wait for the market to settle after the speech. But if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to consider the present trend of the market here, and obviously you need to trade from level to level accordingly. Okay, and as of now we don't have any strong levels right now on the chart of gold as support, but still we can see that as yesterday market respected our 1912 support level, so today also we are hoping that our 1908 will work as the first support before news, and 1903 as the second support before the speech. Apart from these two levels, we also have resistances around 1934-35 level and 1930 level. But if the volatility of the market remains low, then obviously market will not be able to reach 1930 level. So if market hits 1924 level during the day, and if you see market response like this, the candle sizes remain like this, then we will get the confirmation that sellers are dominating, and we can take a sell around 1924 as well. a quick sell position. But if market is very volatile, then obviously things will be different, and you can go for a buy at breakout, means buy above 1924.25 level as well. So volatility of the market will decide the future of 1924 level right now. Keep in mind, news is speech is coming up, so market will be volatile. Be careful, do not gamble. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Okay, bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow.